Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and page. I am Mama Triple, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this delicious crunchy chin chin. Please make sure you watch from the start to the end and also help me to share the video. Thank you. So I have 5 cups of flour here, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. I have a little amount of salt and 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. So I'm going to add my 1 cup of sugar. As you can see, I added a little more sugar. I'm going to mix. I'm also going to use 2 eggs for this chin chin. So I'm going to mix thoroughly before adding the other stuffs. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, and thereafter I'm going to mix thoroughly. I've already washed my hands like I showed you guys earlier. So after adding the butter, I added my 2 eggs. I'm going to also mix together, mix properly, and also add my milk. I'm going to be using milk for this recipe. You can also use normal water if you wish, but I prefer to use milk because it gives it that healthy and nutritious taste. Okay, so now I'm going to mix thoroughly, and also make sure that your mixture is not that soft, like not too soft. Okay, so that when you are cutting the chin chin, like the dough later, is not going to be too watery. Okay, so I let it rest for 10 minutes, and after that I had to remove it. So guys, I discovered that this mat that I used was not really that okay. So I just tried it out because it was my first time of using it. But as you can see, the mat was a bit like slippery, okay? It was not really that okay, but it was manageable. So now I'm going to cut my chin chin how I want it. You can remember, you can cut yours in the shapes that you want. Okay, so after cutting it, I'm going to keep that aside. So this is my best space that I love to use. I cleaned here, and you see, as you can see, it was really smooth and very stress free. So I'm going to cut it and then start frying my chin chin. Guys, I really love this chin chin. Like, I really enjoyed it because it was very dried and delicious. So now I'm going to start frying. I'm going to make sure that I stir so that it will not cook on one side. Okay, it is very important to stir so that everything will just blend together. So I continued the process till everything was ready, and that's it, guys. So I fried the last batch, and that's it. My chin chin is ready. That's how I prepared this delicious crunching chin chin you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook and all my social media platform with the name Mama Triple, and also help me to share the video as well. See you in the next one. Bye.